everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a gorgeous 1970 Chevrolet Nova SS. Beautiful car, guys. I apologize it's out here in the snow. There's nothing we can do. We just got a day of this nonsense. We've just been pounded here in the last week. I'm leaving out of town for a show, so it's either grit and bear it and get the video done or not get the pictures and videos done. So we'll get it right back inside, get it wiped down, back to the nice heated indoor showroom, to the kind of weather it deserves. But great car, Tennessee car. Car was it was a complete body up restoration 2.5, 3 years ago. Really nicely done car. It's got Astro blue. Factory black interior, bucket seats, 4-speed car. It's got a 70 date coated 396 350 horse engine in it, 12 bolt. Really cool car, really nicely done. Trim and stainless is nice. You're gonna look, you see in the pictures, this filler piece is broke. I've got a brand new filler piece. It's all painted. We just got to pull the bumper off and put the filler piece in there. So that, like I say, that will be corrected on the car. Slick paint. I really didn't see a whole lot you could really nitpick in the car. Chrome and stainless is nice. Car runs and drives excellent. Good solid straight Tennessee body. Oh, I hate the snow. Dash is nice. Glass is real nice on this car. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Got the correct SS rallies on it with BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Just a little dust there, guys. If you see anything in there, that's just a little dust the boys missed. Front disc brakes. Again, 70 date coated 396, 4-barrel. It's got the GM Winters aluminum intake. Power steering, stock exhaust manifolds, power front disc brakes, Muncie 4-speed manual trans. Got the big block radiator in it. Good looking car. It's got all new brake lines. And they did a nice job when they restored this car. You can pick the vent window there a little bit. Mirrors are new. Door handles are new. See, it's got new door rubbers. Doors are nice and clean. Bucket seats, Hurst shifter. It's got the tilt sport wheel in there. Factory dash showing 40,313. Figured a couple thousand miles on the car since it's been restored. It's got a factory AM/FM radio. Aftermarket Sun Pro tach engages. It's Flowmaster dual exhaust. It is a 12-bolt multi-leaf rear end with a 308 limited slip. Factory jack and spare is in the trunk here. Like I say, just a good car. It's all spackle coated in here. Doggone weather. Although it's not just us, it's all over the country, hitting everybody. There's nice underneath. Carpet's nice. Just a pretty car. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Dash is nice. Gauges are nice and clear. Go ahead, Jordan. And same thing, you can nitpick that vent window a little, but like I say, pretty doggone. Good sound and big block. Parking brake, Jordan, I don't know if I checked that. Fuel gauge work. Tach down there works. Give it a little rev. Yeah. Gauges are all working. Backup lights work. Parking brake works, even a little light in the dash works. Radio. Yep. We got power. Yep. Radio works. Blower motor works, guys. Pretty cool, that factory AM FM working. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.